The commissioning of the Shahid Bagheri, hull number C-110-4 on February 6, 2025, marks a significant development in Iran's naval strategy. As a converted commercial container ship, this drone carrier is designed for the deployment of UAVs, helicopters, missile systems, and fast attack vessels. This transformation aligns with Iran's broader efforts to expand its maritime presence and enhance its ability to project power across key regional waterways. The vessel's commissioning ceremony in the Persian Gulf underscored its strategic importance, with high-ranking Iranian officials emphasizing its role in intelligence gathering, missile strikes, and surveillance. General Hossein Salami, commander-in-chief of the IRGC, described it as a mobile platform capable of executing diverse missions. The ship's ability to support long-range operations and intelligence collection reflects Iran's commitment to unconventional naval warfare, where it relies on drones and missile systems rather than traditional blue-water naval assets. Iran's reliance on cost-effective ship conversions, as exemplified by the Shahid Bagheri, represents a pragmatic approach to circumventing limitations imposed by its lack of a traditional carrier fleet. The vessel follows previous conversions, such as the Shahid Mahdavi and Shahid Rudaki, which also aim to bolster Iran's maritime reach. The Shahid Bagheri, however, surpasses its predecessors with its extensive 240-meter flight deck, accommodating up to 60 drones, 30 missile launchers, and a fleet of helicopters. Its integration of electronic warfare systems and a dedicated command and control center further enhances its role as a force multiplier in regional conflicts. The ship's aviation capabilities, including support for UAVs such as the Ababil 3, Mohajer 6, and Shahid 136, make it an invaluable asset for both reconnaissance and strike missions. Its ability to launch and recover drones and fast attack boats allows it to conduct persistent surveillance and rapid response operations. Additionally, the presence of a hospital, recreational areas, and logistical support infrastructure suggests that the Shahid Bagheri is designed for prolonged deployments, potentially operating for up to a year at sea without refueling. Iran's decision to deploy the Shahid Bagheri in the Gulf of Oman, the Arabian Sea, and possibly the Indian Ocean demonstrates its ambition to extend its influence beyond the Persian Gulf. The ship's operational range of 22,000 nautical miles enables Iran to maintain a sustained maritime presence in contested waters, allowing it to challenge regional adversaries and assert control over key maritime routes. The vessel's combination of anti-ship missiles, air defense systems, and electronic warfare capabilities makes it a formidable asymmetric warfare tool. Compared to regional peers, the Shahid Bagheri represents a unique adaptation of naval warfare principles. While nations such as the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia have invested heavily in modern frigates and corvettes, Iran has prioritized drone carriers and fast attack vessels to offset its naval disadvantages. The Shahid Bagheri's UAV-centric design bears similarities to China's use of drone motherships and the U.S. Navy's experimentation with autonomous carrier platforms. However, Iran's approach remains distinct in its focus on cost-effective, rapidly deployable assets rather than expensive traditional carriers. The strategic implications of the Shahid Bagheri's deployment are substantial. By integrating drone and missile capabilities into a single platform, Iran enhances its ability to conduct asymmetric maritime operations. The ship's presence in contested waters could deter adversaries, disrupt conventional naval engagements, and serve as a launch pad for both defensive and offensive operations. As tensions in the region persist, the Shahid Bagheri exemplifies Iran's commitment to leveraging drone warfare and naval innovation to strengthen its strategic posture. One of the key advantages of the Shahid Bagheri is its ability to conduct multi-domain operations. In addition to drone-based surveillance and missile strike missions, the vessel can coordinate naval and aerial assets in real time. The ship's command and control center plays a vital role in integrating satellite reconnaissance data, electronic intelligence, and battlefield assessments, ensuring that Iranian forces can maintain situational awareness and execute precision strikes when necessary. This level of coordination enhances Iran's ability to conduct joint operations with other IRGC naval assets, particularly in strategic choke points such as the Strait of Hormuz. The Shahid Bagheri also enhances Iran's ability to engage in hybrid warfare. By deploying swarms of drones alongside fast attack craft, Iran can overwhelm adversaries without direct large-scale naval engagements. This approach aligns with Iran's historical emphasis on asymmetric warfare, where smaller, cost-effective assets are used to challenge technologically superior adversaries. The vessel's ability to launch and retrieve up to 30 fast attack boats reinforces Iran's long-standing doctrine of using speed and maneuverability to counter conventional naval forces. Moreover, the integration of electronic warfare capabilities makes the Shahid Bagheri a significant asset in modern naval confrontations. Electronic warfare systems can be used to jam enemy radar, disrupt communications, and neutralize hostile UAVs, providing Iran with a technological edge in specific scenarios. Given the increasing role of electronic warfare in modern conflicts, the ship's ability to operate in an EW-heavy environment enhances Iran's strategic flexibility and survivability. Iran's decision to repurpose commercial vessels rather than build dedicated warships also reflects its adaptation to economic and military constraints. Constructing a traditional aircraft carrier or large warship requires extensive resources and shipbuilding expertise, both of which are constrained by international sanctions. By converting container ships into drone carriers, Iran can rapidly expand its fleet at a fraction of the cost, allowing it to maintain operational effectiveness despite economic limitations. This cost-effective approach is likely to continue as Iran seeks to expand its naval power without direct confrontation with technologically superior adversaries. The broader geopolitical ramifications of the Shahid Bagheri's deployment cannot be ignored. As Iran expands its naval reach, regional actors such as the United States and Israel will likely respond by enhancing their own maritime presence. The possibility of Iranian drone carriers operating in international waters raises concerns over potential confrontations, particularly in areas of strategic importance, such as the Red Sea and the Indian Ocean. The vessel's ability to support missile launches at distances of up to 2,000 kilometers further complicates the security landscape, as it introduces new threats that regional adversaries must counter. Ultimately, the Shahid Bagheri represents a significant step forward in Iran's maritime doctrine. By leveraging drone warfare, missile capabilities, and electronic warfare in a single platform, Iran has created a versatile and potent naval asset. The ship's ability to operate independently for extended periods further solidifies Iran's commitment to expanding its maritime influence. As the geopolitical situation in the Middle East remains fluid, the deployment of the Shahid Bagheri will likely play a crucial role in shaping the future of regional naval dynamics.